somebody I won't name, Barrett, is too busy making video blogs where he can't even have anything with me in it anymore. Because if I remember correctly, not too long ago, it was Miss Blueberry this, Miss Blueberry that. Even that Stank-Heifer Wanda doesn't get any attention anymore. All it is blogs and blogs, and Juanita Bynum this, and Juanita Bynum that. What about me? I mean, before he got this new account, it was all about me. I was becoming a star. I was a celebrity. Don't you understand? It was all about me. But now, I can't get any attention, and I'm not feeling very loved right now. I mean, what do I have to do? Why can't I just get a little attention every now and then? Somebody be like, hey, there's Miss Blueberry. She's looking hot today. But no. I can't do that. Apparently it's too much to ask. And it makes me sad. I just want to know, what do I have to do to be on top again? Who do I have to kill? If that's what it takes, I'll do it. I don't care. I've got no shame. All I want to do is be famous. I want to be Miss Blueberry TV. Because everybody loves me. And I love them, but I just can't get any attention. Why can't I get any attention? Why not? Oh God. Look at what I've become. I'm so lonely. It's so cold. I don't know what I want anymore. I don't know. I just want to be, I want to be like it used to be. I want everyone to be like, hey look, it's Miss Blueberry, don't you guys love her? But it's not like that anymore. It's never like that anymore. It's like, Miss Blueberry who? Who is that? Who is that? I don't know who that is. I don't know anything anymore. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna be on that Big Brother thing with Nurse Sheila and Corbin Blue, but I don't like to share the spotlight. I don't. I like for it to be all about me, Miss Blueberry. But it's not. It's not anymore. It's about all of us together in one house for 500 days with 8,000 cameras. I don't like that. I want it to be all about me, Miss Blueberry. But it's not. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it. I will not be forgotten. I will be remembered. Miss Blueberry. Remember Boo Boolicious? Remember that great song I made? Remember Boo Boolicious definition kinda looks like gravy. Remember that? Fills up all the toilets and drives the plumbers crazy. Come on, you gotta remember. And then I was gonna make the video with Miss Shaquetta and Sherolade. It was my ticket to the top. But then Miss Shaquetta closed her account. So what did that leave Miss Blueberry? Where does it leave me? I don't know where it leaves me. I really don't. I don't know anything anymore. I don't know anything anymore. I don't know what to do. I'm just so heartbroken. I think maybe it's just time I give up. Give up my dreams of being a celebrity and just go back to what I used to do. Which is prostitution. I can't go back. I won't go back. I won't do it.